I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility, mobile OS version, and whether your browser supports desktop extensions. Once done, install a Chromium-based mobile browser like Kiwi or Yandex because Chrome Mobile doesn't support extensions natively. Next, on your desktop or mobile, download the CRX or unpacked extension files so you have the source. Make sure to enable developer or experimental flags in the mobile browser settings. This unlocks loading extensions. This prepares you to transfer and install the extension package. You now move files to the phone and open your Chromium-based browser's extensions manager. Once there, use load unpacked for directory installs or drag and drop the CRX file to install. Some browsers require a confirm prompt. After installation, enable the extension and grant only the permissions needed. Then sign into any linked accounts and tweak settings for mobile view, like toolbar placement or site access. If the extension has a background page or requires persistent site access, make sure those options are enabled so it runs reliably. You finish by testing the extension against the sites and workflows you need, observing behavior in page and any background processes. Once done, if the extension misbehaves, clear cache, toggle the extension off and back on, or reinstall the unpacked folder. Make sure your browser is up to date. Sometimes switching to a different Chromium-based mobile browser resolves compatibility issues. If problems remain, open developer mode to view logs and console errors to identify permission conflicts or missing APIs. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.